So, you want to tell them what happened?
Not particularly, but...
Go ahead.
So there was this one time, we were on our way home from a date, and it had been snowing all day, and it was like a super severe snowstorm. All the schools didn't have school that day, and Justin seen a parking lot, and he said, hey, let's go do donuts and drift in this so I can get some footage. So we pull in the parking lot, and I'm starting to drive around, and all of a sudden I see a cop pulling up as soon as I stopped, like right in front of Justin. Cop makes like a big turnaround and comes and pulls up behind us, flips on his lights, and I'm like, this is really happening right now. This is so stupid. So he walks up, asks us what we're doing. It's pretty apparent I'm driving the car. Justin's standing outside in a foot of snow with his camera. And he asks for my license and the registration and says he'll be right back. And I asked Justin, am I going to get a ticket for this? He's like, oh no, nothing's going to happen. They're just going to tell us to leave. I was like, oh, okay, no problem. Cop walks up, hands me a ticket, marked as doing donuts and drifting in a parking lot, which was written as careless driving, which holds 3 points and a $240 fine.
Yeah, so this happened over a month ago on Valentine's Day. I didn't want to talk about it or post any footage on it because I didn't need them like looking up my channel and
incriminating evidence.
Yeah, a video with like 20,000 views, like, oh, so that's what they were doing. But yeah, it was just kind of a spur of the moment thing. We were coming home from a date at PF Chang's and saw a parking lot that hadn't been plowed yet after the snowstorm, and I thought, oh, I got my camera with me. I usually carry the camera just in case I'm going to take pictures or something, but I thought this is going to be perfect. I can get some footage for the channel, take some pictures for Instagram. And we weren't even there 10 minutes and it happened. And
that's the worst part, is we weren't even there like a full 10 minutes. And then that.
Yeah, and honestly, I just felt so bad that it was her driving because it should have been me. It really, it was my idea to go there. It was my car, my videos, but... 2
reasons it's better that it wasn't. 1, I can't take videos and pictures as well as you can, clearly. 2, you would have been an absolute basket case since the day we got the ticket leading up until court yesterday. Your anxiety is so much worse than mine. I was just kind of like, well, we did it. We can't really argue that we did it, even though Justin was like, oh, I was looking at the footage and the dash cam and you weren't doing anything. I was like, Justin, we can't deny the fact that we went there with that intention. I was doing that. The cops seen me doing it.
Yeah, the worst part of this whole thing is like before I let her take over driving, I forgot to turn off the traction control. So like you can see in the dash cam footage and the footage from the camera that the car like didn't lose control at all. She couldn't get the back to brake out at all. So
can you just give me a little credit?
You tried.
I didn't try. No. I got a couple.
Yeah, you got a couple, but that's the frustrating thing about this whole situation is like having to go to court and facing the 3 points on the license, which would have
he's not the one who had to go to court and deal with the judge and dress up.
Anyway,
snooze him, so he didn't give me the points.
So we go through all of this stuff and we didn't even really get the footage that we went in there for. So anyway, lesson learned, don't do donuts, don't do crazy stuff like that. It's not worth the headache or the hassle.
Yeah. It was fun though, like getting to play around in his car. Granted, it would have been cooler if the traction control was off, and I was actually, but I had control basically the whole time. Like in my mind, I was like, oh yeah, this is looking so cool. Like I'm doing such a good job. And then I looked and I was like, I'm not doing anything.
She's just like doing circles in a parking lot, which is probably not illegal, but
it's okay. We can't
we
couldn't. It, though.
We went there with the intention to do bad things. So.
But court worked out in our favor excellently. The judge was super nice when I went in there. It started off with him joking around about not being able to pronounce our last name, so I could kind of tell right off the bat, okay, he's gonna be a good dude. Like, we might get lucky. And he asked what I was doing, and I explained, and he's like, oh, we've all been there. I was like, I don't know if you're supposed to say that, but... And then he was really understanding and nice. He's like, we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna change this. It's not gonna be any points. It won't go on your record. And they actually took it down from it being 240 down to 170, which we didn't care about the money. Like the money did not matter whatsoever. it was just the fact of it showing as careless driving, which held 3 points. Like, even though, like, people would see it and be like, oh, just careless driving. Like, it wouldn't be noted like careless driving.
The insurance
doing donuts and drifting in a parking lot. So, like, for such a stupid thing. So that was just my concern, is the fact of it was my license, even though the insurance affects us both. But
right, because we're on the same policy.
Obviously. But we got super lucky. He was super nice. Court was pretty quick, and
yeah.
So we'll just know next time, don't do that.
Dinner
time.
All right.
Good?
It's really good. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please just give Katie a huge thumbs up for this awesome ramen. This stuff is amazing. And I will see you guys in the next video.